Hi everyone, I wanted to show you how I make potpourri. So first of all, I take a nice dish and I take some rose petals that I've dried, and literally to dry them I just leave them out on a towel for a couple of days in a warm room and they dry out beautifully. And you want as many different colours as you can. Sorry, I just realised the screen was very dark. Now, usually yellow roses normally go brown, so I was quite surprised that these ones actually stayed quite yellow. These pink ones have worked quite well as well, and then some red ones get you the deep colour when they're dry. So this one's got a nice mixture of colours, and these have been drying out in my room for a couple of weeks. Normally it takes about a week. I've got some red ones here as well. Normally the darker the colour, the better you'll get with the colour of the potpourri, but as you can see with these pink and white ones it worked out quite, pink and yellow ones, it worked out really well. So get a nice pretty array of petals that are nice and dry, and then you want to get yourself some potpourri oil. This one is really old. This is what my grandma gave me, and it's to use on dried flowers. And this one is an Eastern spices smell, and you literally just spray your flower petals with potpourri oil, and then you've got your own potpourri. And what I tend to do is mix them up a bit and give it a bit more of a spray, so each petal's got a decent amount on. And that, oh, that smells divine. Obviously if you've got some quite fragrant flower petals, you could just use those and just have the smell of the roses, but I find adding like a little spray of potpourri oil really makes it pop and makes it smell gorgeous. I'm just going to add some more of my darker rose petals to this. There we go. And there you go. That's how to make potpourri. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.